Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you're having a fabulous day, wherever in the world I are. So, guess what we have today? We have some Born Pretty gel polishes. Very exciting. So, this says Milky Jelly Magnetic Gel. And, of course, it's got all the particulars on the box. Let's get this open. Ooh, and I didn't struggle with it this time. Not the first. So this has all the directions, 12 month. They're good for 12 months, recyclable, not tested on animals. Don't put it on your lips. I believe that's what it says. And the last one, I can't remember. Anyway, it says make sure to keep it in good temperature. It's recyclable, all the same stuff again. And it says pay attention, avoid with eye contact and mouth contact, keep away from children. If redness or any signs, other signs occur, stop using immediately. Store in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. So let's open her up and see what we got. Of course, it has your standard pamphlet that tells you how to prepare your nails, how to apply normal nail gel, how to apply magnetic gel, which is what we're going to do today, how to remove, and of course all the particulars, safety first. So let's take these out of the box. And y'all, I love this box. It's so sturdy. See, it barely, ooh, nice. It comes with a magnet. I didn't realize that, but that's cool. So let's take these all out and we'll see what we got. And if you give me just a minute, I am going to put on my gloves because of safety first. Nobody wants to develop an allergy, so always safety first. And read your directions. So let's do some little swatches. I already have my swatch sticks numbered. And I'm going to start 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and of course 3. So we're going to switch this around here so we can do them in the right order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y'all, I can count. Don't ever let it be said that I can't count. So I'm super excited to test out the Born Pretty's magnetic gels. These are going to be so cool, I believe. So, and I have already, oh my gosh, I already have a design in mind. So yeah, we'll do that in another video though, because of course I don't want the video to be too long. So do you see this? This is number 1. Oh my goodness. And you see how full those bottles are? Nice and full. So let's check out what this magnet will do. Oh, did you see how fast that went? Okay. Of course, these being a cat eye, I'm going to have to play with them for a minute. Because, yeah. So, whoop. And whoop. So we're going to do some fun. I don't know about you, but I love cat eyes. I think they are so much fun to play with. And y'all, I just ordered a whole bunch of different magnetic magnets. So I am super excited that they are going to arrive soon, and they're going to be super cool. see, we'll pull it. You see them moving around. So that's what it looks like when most of the magnetic is not there, or just we've moved it around. So we're going to do it again. And if you make a mistake with your cat eye, yeah, by all means, go ahead and you don't really need to put more on it. You just swipe it until you're happy. So let's do this. I am going to go whoop, and this is another Born Pretty cat eye magnet that I got. I can't remember which one I got it with, but it was another cat eye anyway. So I wanted to test out this one, and there we go. Can you see how gorgeous that is? But we're going to go whoop like that. Now, one more time. I gotta mess with it one more time, and then we'll move on to number 2. Ta-da! So let's leave it like that, and then we're going to move on to the next color. Now, I will say that these being cat eyes, we're only going to do, ooh, you see that? It's like a nude, a brownish nude for number 2. This is going to be gorgeous. I don't think I have anything like this. Not this color. It's almost, somewhere between a nude and maybe a rose gold. Not sure. Tell me what color you think that is. Let's do a little line. And these are Milky Jellies, so it's going to be a little cloudy on the sides. It's not going to be like super cat eye. I mean, you're going to be able to notice it, but it's going to be, how would I say, maybe subtle would be a good word. Yeah, I think I would go with probably subtle. So let's go do that one more little time. And y'all, when I go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and do the top coats off camera, just so you can see. Okay, so there is number 2. And let's move on to, I'm going to close these up because we're only going to do one coat of these this time. So this is number 3. Ooh, it's kind of like a rosy pink. So pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. And you can do it super thin, or you can do them a little thicker. Seeing as how they're cat eyes, it only needs one coat because these are supposed to be like Milky Jelly. Let's go activate. Can you see how fast that's moving and how reactive these are? These are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, that's gorgeous. And we'll close that up and move on to number 4, which is, ooh, that's like a lavenderish kind of vibe here. Ooh, and so pretty. Y'all, I may have to do a second coat just to see what it can do and what it can look like. So let's go here. I'm just playing, y'all. Don't mind me. And if you know me, is, if you watch me for any length of time, you know I absolutely love a cat eye. And especially when you first get a new cat eye, you just got to play with it because, yeah, it's just kind of the way it is. You see how reactive that is? Ugh, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And while that's curing, let's move on to number 5. And y'all, I just can't make up my mind whether I want to do 1 coat or 2 coats. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It is gorgeous. Green. Oh my goodness. It's got, I don't know, almost like, gee, I can't really, almost a minty, but not really a minty. I don't know if that made any sense at all. But it's alright. I don't have to make sense all the time. So let's see. Oh, that's gorgeous. Can you see that? So, try one more time and get something a little fun here going on. And let's go like that. And last but least, number 6. I'm going to assume this is going to be blue. Oh, a gorgeous blue. Can you see? Almost the same color as my gloves. That is so, so pretty. And of course, you know, if you want to, with cat eye, you can do 2nd coat if you want to. If that's what your heart desires. But really, it's not needed. And these are Milky Jellies, so they're going to be, they're supposed to be a little bit translucent, but not massively translucent, if you know what I mean. Can you see how reactive that is? Oh my lordy. That is gorgeous. See it come back? Almost got like a fade there. Let's see. I'm going to try that one more time. And then I will do a Born Pretty top coat. I'm going to use the super top coat to do a clear coat on these. And a beautiful top coat. Okay, we're going to stop there and we will be right back. And here we go. Here are our Milky Jelly Magnetic Cateye collection. And there's what they look like over a different color. Or there you go. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course it comes with all 6 from the collection and the magnet. So absolutely, you're going to want to pick these up. I know I am super happy. These are going to be fabulous for the design or 2 that I have in mind for these. So I hope you enjoyed and check back for another one. Bye-bye now.